Taking everybody to school. Little baby Zachary. Is that sunshine in your eyes, little baby? Okay. Little baby Alexander. Doesn't listen to mommy. Too interested in the video games. Okay. Little baby Xavier. Embarrassed because mommy's taking a video. Show me your promise ring. Show me the promise ring. Show me. Oh, he's married. Alexander, do you love mommy?
Yes.
Well, look at me. Oh, there's his eyes. Okay, say bye, Zev. Look at the camera, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, little baby Zachary. Well, you're not talking much today, are you? Okay.
No.
Off to school. Bye-bye.